alaikum and welcome to Learn and Apply with Sadia Naqvi. So today, from today onwards, we're gonna start one thing more. That's 100 days of code challenge of TypeScript. Okay. So basically, what is this? This is from Governorr Sindh Initiative. Uh, that it's something that most people are preferring, and as I have been seeing the tags on YouTube, so it has been like a trend. So I thought let's start by try it. So first of all, we're going to start with 100 days of coding day one. So we would name it as a day one challenge. Now, so for today, there are basically three questions they will ask to answer you. Okay. Okay. So now there are three questions for today. That first of all we have to install Node.js, Typescript, and VS Code on our computer. Then we have to do a person method that we have to store a person's name in a variable and then print a message to that person. And our message should be simple, like, "Hello, Eric. Would you like to learn some Python today?" And in question number three, you have to write name. You have to do name cases, and you have to store a person's name in a variable that print that person's name in a lowercase, uppercase, and case. So first of all, as for the installing Node.js, TypeScript, and VS Code, I've already installed. But I would tell you that how to do it, but I would not do it. Just you will do it, but not me. Okay, so first of all, we are gonna do Node.js installation. So for that, you have to download the Node.js installer from the official website. This is the official website. Let me open it for you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's loading right now. So now you would click on this to download your Node.js, and then and you will get a window like this. Okay, welcome to Node.js step wizard. Then you would click on next, 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 and after clicking on next, you would also go through installing Node.js, installation of Node.js in your computer. Then after that, you would just click on finish. To if you want to download TypeScript, it doesn't require any website to download it from a website. So you just have to do this on command. Okay, so you would write npm space install space dash dash global space TypeScript at the rate 5.0.2, and you would get edit package in the edit package, and this is how you would get a downloaded version of TypeScript. Also, after that, to be assured that you have downloaded TypeScript, you would write tsc space dash p, and you would get a version of types downloaded TypeScript. So to download VS Code installation, it's really easy. There's a so VS Code. So just click on this link. I would pin this link in comment section, and also I would write this in a description box for you for your ease. Okay. So to download Visual Studio Code, you would click on this link, and then it's loading right now. Okay, so download Visual Studio Code. So here you would be directed towards the link that I would provide in comment section for you, and also in description box. Okay, so if you have Windows, if you have Mac, if you have dev, if you have .rpm, so you would just click on that. Okay, so your as for your Windows, it should be x64-bit. Okay, it shouldn't be 32-bit. It should be 64-bit. So if you would click on this Windows, but it's loading right now. Okay, so now. अच्छा पेपर हो जाएगा इन छोड़ो. Oh, okay, so now when you would click here, I think you should just click here to download your VS Code. Okay, so after that, if you want to install it, so see it has now come, and here it would be downloaded, but I am canceling it because I've already downloaded it. Okay, instead of clicking here download here to download here, so just click on here x64-bit. So then your file could be easily done. Okay, so these are some of the things that you must have. Then click on next. Then your files would be extracting, and then to complete the Visual Studio Code setup, you would click on finish here. Okay. Then your Visual Studio Code would be downloaded, and with its installation of Node.js, Typescript, and VS Code on our computer, our question number 1 is also done. So now let's me see you on File Explorer for the rest of the questions and on VS Code. So see you, yeah. Okay, so now it's time for us to do question number 2. So for that, we have to open a File Explorer. Then you will click on local days of code. Okay. So in this folder, we are gonna work for our next 99 days. Okay. So now, then again, I'm making a folder for day 1. Okay. So now our folder has been made, and now there's no work for CMD, and now I'm gonna open VS Code. Okay. Now here's our VS Code. So now I will click on open folder. Then I would go on local disk C, then 100 days of code, and then day 1. And I will click on select folder. So this folder has been opened and we haven't done any work up to now. So now I will click on new file, and wait a second. Okay. So after clicking on the new file, I'm gonna name this folder as main.ts. Oh my gosh, what happened to it? Let me rename it main.ts. Okay, now we are gonna do our work here. Okay, so now what's our question that we have to store a person's name in a variable? So hello Eric, would you like to learn some Python today? Okay, so first of all I'm gonna write let my name colon string is equals to, and then in inverted commas I'm gonna write Eric. Okay, then our semicolon. Okay, then I'm gonna write console.log to call up my function. So I'm gonna write these kind of thing. Then hello. Okay. Then our curly brackets, one here and one here. Would you like to learn some Python today? Okay. So here I would like to do a change. So wait a second. So I'm done with the change here that I wanted to do. Okay. So now to get the answers, to get the results, I'm gonna go on terminal, then our new terminal. Okay, then I'm gonna open command prompt. So here I'm gonna do tsc dash w. Okay, I hope that it would change into node, but it's not changing in it. So what should I do? Anyways, let's do tsc main dot ts. First of all, we have to make main dot. Okay, js file. So it has already been made, and now node main.js. It's also done. Now see, hello Eric, would you like to learn some Python today? So the result for it is here. See. So now I would comment it down because so that it won't cause any problems for me. Now the question number 3, the last question for our video. Name case store a person's name in a variable and then print that person's name in a lowercase, uppercase, and title case. You have to store a person's name in a variable and then you have to print that in lowercase, uppercase, and title case. So let's do that. Now, as for the question number 3, so first of all, we have to store a person's name in a variable. So I'm gonna write let my name. Okay, so I'm gonna write my name now, my own name, that is Sadia. Okay, Sadia. Okay, and then semicolon. Okay, so this means that we have saved the name, so I'm gonna write this saves the name. Okay, so now uppercase, lowercase, and title what is that basically? So now console dot log. So now okay, console.log. Then I'm gonna write my name dot to uh, lowercase. Okay, then I'll make two brackets so that our result would be in these two brackets. Okay, this will show the. So now I'm gonna write some comments that how will it appear. Okay, not exactly but in an explanation. This will show the name in all in small letters. Okay, then console, I'm gonna again do console.log, and then I'm gonna do my name dot to uppercase. Okay, so now we have to shift it to uppercase. Then I would again make brackets, round brackets, and round brackets. Okay, so after, so in console.log, you must whatever you write, it should be in brackets. Okay, and so now this will show the name in. So now this will show the name all in capital letters. Okay, then console.log, I'm gonna do now title case. Okay, so for this we have to write my name dot caret. Okay, so caret basically what it is a method of a string. Okay, caret, and in the bracket I'm gonna write 0. Okay, then I'm gonna write dot to uppercase, then in the brackets. Okay, so first of all we need, so in dial case the first letter should be capital and the rest of the letters should be small. See, so we want like that. So uppercase, that I'm gonna write plus because I also want it to be uh, with small letters. Okay, then I'm gonna write my name dot slice, and in the bracket I'm gonna write 1, and outside of the bracket then I'm gonna write dot to lower case, and bracket I'm gonna write nothing. So are you ready for the results? But wait a second. This this will show the name first letter capital and the rest is small. Okay, so now, okay, now I need to do my now I need to have my results. So I'm gonna write tsc main.ts and then node main.js. So now see Sadia in small letters, Sadia in capital letters, like in Sadia in lowercase, Sadia in uppercase, and Sadia in child case. So this was all for the video. Meet you inshallah tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.